Hello again. Sorry for last time's video. My dad had to steal the video from me, but I got some sound effects in, but I don't have the special effects in yet. And I also got the opening credits. So here we go. Here's the test footage of the fight scenes and the sound effects. So here we go. Still trying to get some audio. I still breathe in the background, so just ignore it. Oh, I should add in some explosions right here. Well, sound effects. I love my opening credits. Oh, let's just pause it right here. So it says starring Zane. Oh man, I forgot the other E. Who cares? Devin, Skylar, Zach, William, Jason, Joshua, Zoe, Taylor, and me. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I just love the fight scenes now that it has sound effects. Script by me, which we're not really using because we're doing a good job for now. Yep. For being an awesome actor. Oh my god. Yeah, and it's more awesome now that I got the sound effects in. Jokes, yeah, there are some jokes. Really, I should put some stuff in there. Like this is so good. Well, it's getting better. We're still in the middle of filming it, so I'm just editing what we got so far. But once we have the full film done, yeah. I'm still trying to... I got the sound effects, now I just need the actual special effects, if you guys can help me with that. I would appreciate someone's help of helping me find a way to get my special effects on here, because it won't let me. I don't know why it won't let me. Every time I try to put a special effect on here, it just won't allow it. And this movie's not going to be good without special effects. Not sound effects, special effects. Well, here we go. Now the scene's way better than before. Here we go. Oh snap, here we go. Wait a minute. Where's my is it still on? It is still on, right?
I am the Dark Lord, and I'm a cat. Oh no, somebody cursed me, and now I look like a cat. All I know what to do in my life anymore. Now my minions are dead. Utterly worthless. They're stubborn. I'm just gonna hide in this closet now, for my shame.
First person action now, oh yeah. Watch this, guys. It's a whole world. something's happening. Whoa. Wait a second. Here, let me rewind that. Something weird happened. There we go. The frames per second keeps on lag. And it's a huge battlefield in the apartments. There's a huge battle going on there. Because there's a whole bunch of soldiers and minions fighting downstairs.
Are you hearing movement? Yeah, are you hearing movement? Those dingleberries took my gun. Yeah, and they killed me.
So anyway, okay, I'm gonna go back to the beginning here. Okay. Let me go back. I don't know. Okay, so let's add some more scenes here. Crap, I forgot. 43, we're on clip 43 here. Let me go here, 43. Yeah, this is a great fight scene. I need to add some sound effects to this one. Definitely. Never loaded this long before. Okay. It's loading slower than usual. It's weird. Okay then. That there. Net. Net. This is a good one. I'm still trying to get the special effects in there, but it won't let me. And here's the shootout.